Y'all know what y'all came here for. Welcome back to AB's Kitchen. And today, guys, I want you to see how I made this baked creamy macaroni and cheese. So please follow along with me as I complete this recipe. Okay, to make our sauce for our macaroni and cheese, I'm using 3 types of cheese right now. This is what I'm going to cut up. I'm using Colby Jack, mild cheddar, and Gouda. And I'm just going to cut these up into little chunks and then I'll get back with you. Okay, guys, and now I'm going to cut up, you know, some VELVEETA or block cheese. It's whatever you like in your macaroni and cheese. So in this pot we have a half a stick of butter, and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of flour, or 2.5 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to cook this flour off for a minute so it won't taste like flour. We want it to just do a little cooking in here for a few minutes. Alright, now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream for now. We're going to start adding our cheese. A little at a time. I'm going to put a little bit more milk, heavy cream in there. So now I'm going to add a couple of ounces of carnation milk, loosen this up a little bit. I'm going to add the whole 5 ounce. with this macaroni. And we got that butter in there. Put like a half a tablespoon of black pepper. And the same thing for the smoked paprika. Now it's time for the cheese. Let's see how this. My oven is at 350 degrees. And we're gonna put this in here until we get the desired color that we want with the cheese. Look at that, guy. That's cheesy. So now, let's see the finished product. Of this mac and cheese. Look at that. It's creamy, baked, and it's macaroni and cheese. I let it cool off, guys, for 15 minutes so that I'm able to eat it for you guys. Okay, look at that. Nice, creamy, baked macaroni and cheese. Let's see how it tastes. Now that's some good macaroni and cheese, guys. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload. And what I would like for you guys to do at this time is have peace and have a nice day.